Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a template, a custom field, a segment and launch a campaign from the beginning. I'm going to show you everything from scratch and we are going to launch a campaign together. Now let's get started. First, to get a template approved or to make a template, you have to go to the first option, go to Waba. Select the channel you want the template in. I'm selecting NotBot here. Click on this I option. Now click on create template. Given the template name, I'm giving XYZ 500. Select the category, I'm selecting marketing. Select the language, selecting simple English UK. Click on next option. I'm not putting any header, you can if you want. Next option. I have a body ready, I'm just pasting it. Now I have a variable over here, so I have to give the example of the variable. I want the name to be my variable. Click on the next step. I don't want any footer, you can if you want. Next step, I want a button, CTA, URL type, book a demo, put in your URL, test, save and preview. This is how your message will appear on the WhatsApp. You can make any changes if you want. I don't want any changes, just submitting it for approval. You can see XYZ 500 is approved. It can take some time to get the approval of the template, so don't worry about that. Now let's create a custom field. Go back to all products, go to the second field, CRM, go to the custom fields on top, click on add custom field, give the title XYZ 500 for testing purpose, string, and save. Custom field has been added successfully. Now we have to add contacts in this custom field. Just going into contacts right next to it, select the contacts that you want to be added in your custom field that you just created. I'm taking these 5 contacts. Okay, let's just take in my contact so we can add the campaign. Okay, so this is my number. I'm just adding 1 so I can show you the campaign. Select the contacts you want to be added in your custom field. Click on these 3 dots. Click on edit selected. Now select the custom field we just made, XYZ 500. Put in the value. I'm putting 500. Now click on edit. Okay, it has been successfully added to the custom field. How you can check? You can just type the value and you can see as soon as I type the value, this one contact has been added in my custom field and it is appearing over here. Now let's create a segment. Go to the more option, top right, click on the segment, click on add new segment, give it a title, XYZ 500, description, custom field. Now I'm selecting the custom field that we just made, XYZ 500. Condition, selecting yes, you can select any value. Now you have to put the value that you put in your custom field. That is, I put 500. As soon as you put the value, you can see how many contacts are in your custom field. I only have 1, so it's appearing as 1 over here. Click on save. A segment has been successfully added. You can see XYZ 500 for testing purpose. Now let's make a campaign. Click on this more option. Go to the second option, campaign. Click on create new campaign. Give it a name, keeping the same XYZ campaign. You can also schedule the campaign for later on if you want. I'm just going to launch it immediately. Next. I'm going to show you how to do it with the segmented one because we just created a segment. So click on segmented. XYZ 500 condition. Load conditions. You can see the conditions that we put in. Click on next. Channel that we just chose while making the template, NotBot, pre-approved template. Sync the template so you can use the template that you just got approved. It has been synced. Now you can see XYZ 500 is the one that we just got approved. This is the template. You can see. Now we have variable over here, so you also have to type the variable over here. Click on this option. Now you can choose anyone. I chose the name, that's why I'm typing the chat name. You can also send a test message on your number to see how the message will look when it's delivered. Then click on next. Check everything from here. Save the campaign. Now you can see XYZ 500 campaign has been successfully created. It's pending. So to launch it, you just have to click on this tiny rocket option over here. Click on this tiny rocket option. Campaign triggered successfully. Your campaign has been sent successfully. It's processing. As soon as the message is sent, it will come as completed. This is all.